Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another 4Runner modification video. The modification today is plug and play Raptor Lights. They do sell on Amazon for super cheap, guys. Here's the prices right here. They have regular amber lights. If you guys like that smoked out effect like I do, they have smoked lensed amber lights. Or if you don't care for the amber lights like me, they have a smoked lens with white light. So this is the simple little box that it came in. Take it out. Some nice step-by-step instructions right here. These will basically just click right into your grill, guys. No drilling, no glue, no nothing like in the past. And the connectors right here seem to be weather resistant as well, as much as possible that you can be with this. But also comes with a fuse as well, grounding connector. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed. So one thing that I do want to point out with the connector is it is heat shrunk right here. Not too heat shrunk right there. This is just some coating, which is better than nothing. As you can see, I went ahead and sent the wires through. This is going to be so much easier for me, at least, because I have a light bar sitting up here in my upper valence. But I went ahead and sent all four through, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect the lights up themselves and show you basically how they insert into this spot right here, and they just snap right in. So once the wire's in, go ahead and line these tabs up. You will notice on these that one is a little farther ahead. So that one goes on the bottom. So just line it up, pinch, pinch, and it's in. That's literally it, guys. Zero glue, zero screws. And that's it, it's in. So it's flush, zero screws, zero glue, nice and easy, and it's actually pretty secure. So now typically I would take my ground and I would put it right here, like I have all my other grounds for lighting accessories. However, they didn't, they made it basically even. So if I was to put it right here, where they splice this wouldn't make it into the cab. So now we're just gonna go into the cab basically with both of them, and it's just through that hole right there. I find this is the easiest. Just get yourself a little zip tie, some duct tape both of these, and then go ahead and feed it through. All right, and you see our zip tie, and then boom, there's our wires. All right, so I have it plugged in now, and for the ground, I just ran it right there, as you could see, and that's just a 10mm bolt. Just loosened it ever so slightly and put the ground in there and then tightened it back up. But I went ahead and cycled my key. So let's go around to the front now and see it. And there it is. If it doesn't work right away when you cycle your key, go ahead and flip the fuse, because I did have it backwards, and then it works. And then obviously if you want cable management as much as you need, I have these all nice and tight right there. And then this one for these two are down here. So that's it, guys. Super easy install. My only gripe about it is that I wish that you were able to put the grounds right there in the fender well. Other than that, very easy, very affordable. Link will be down in the description, guys, if you are interested in picking it up. If you guys are new around here, please consider subscribing. We do a lot of 4Runner mods like this one. We do Toyota news and reviews. If this video was helpful for you guys, please help me out by giving it a thumbs up, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.